my first 3 months as a TikTok Shop affiliate, I was able to generate over $1.5 million in revenue and around $500,000 in profit. But what's even crazier is that I did this organically, which means that I never spent a single penny on running my videos as ads. And all I was doing was posting 30-second long TikTok videos. Now, to say that the TikTok Shop affiliate program is a goldmine would be an understatement. The amount of opportunity here is remarkable. So if you're not into this yet, you need to be. I even have complete beginners in my coaching program basically printing money doing this. It is the only place online where you can make life-changing amounts of money this quickly and with no real experience. All you really need is a phone and maybe 50 bucks to order a few products. All it takes is one viral video to change everything. Now, I'm gonna show you exactly how to do this. First, if you have 5,000 followers, it's easy. All you need to do is open up TikTok, tap the 3 lines on the top right corner, tap Creator Tools, scroll over to TikTok Shop for Creator, and then if you meet all of these requirements, you will be able to apply for instant access to everything TikTok Shop. And if you create an account this way, you won't need to submit any kind of personal info until you're ready to withdraw your earnings. But if you don't have 5,000 followers, don't worry, you can still get started, and this is how you do it. Just head over to seller-us-accounts.tiktok.com and follow the prompts. That's all you need to do. And after you link your seller center to your TikTok account, if TikTok is asking you to verify your identity, all you need to do is open up the TikTok app, tap the inbox tab, which is down at the bottom, and then you should see a notification that looks like this. Again, just follow the prompts and submit your identification. It's pretty easy. I did already make a video walking you through this entire process in depth, so I'll link that in the description. Now, there have been some reports of people getting their accounts suspended after creating them this way, but it is not everyone. You always hear these things from the people that are running into problems, but you never hear the positive stories from people who aren't. Personally, I've created a few accounts using this exact method recently, and I haven't run into any issues. Now, the third and final way to get one of these accounts is just to buy one, but you need to make sure that you are buying a solid account before you send money to someone. And if you don't know where to buy these accounts, inside of my free Discord, we have people that sell them, along with a list of things to do to stay safe before and after buying an account. Now, once you have your account, you need to find products to promote in your videos. But before we get into this, you need to understand that your product choice is almost just as important as the quality of your videos. If you pick a product that's actually trending right now and make a half-decent video with it, it's probably gonna perform well because TikTok's gonna give it an extra boost because they know that the product is in demand and people are actually buying it. Now, there are 2 main parts to this. You need to know where to find your products and what to actually look for in a product. And a great place to find these products is just to look through TikTok. So you can look through their product marketplace here, or you could even look through your feed. And personally, I've been having success with finding products on my For You page. Now, another great place to find products is calodata.com. If you don't know what Calodata is, it is a data analysis tool for everything TikTok Shop. You can learn about shops, creators, products, videos, and live streams. I use this site almost daily, so definitely do not sleep on it. All you need to do is head over to the product tab and you can look through literally hundreds of different TikTok Shop products. Now, as you're looking for a winning product, there's gonna be a few things that you want to keep in mind. You need to make sure that your product solves a problem, really any kind of problem. If whatever you're promoting can make someone's life easier, it's going to be much, much easier for you to sell. Another thing to keep in mind is the amount of units sold. So if a product has 200,000 or 300,000 units sold, that's probably something that you want to stay away from. And all that means is that everyone has seen it by now. Instead, promote something that not everyone has seen and you'll have less competition. And last, look for products that really sell themselves, something that you can show off in your videos. Getting views and making money is gonna be a breeze if you can actually demonstrate how the product works in your videos. And a great example of this would actually be the water flosser that's going viral on TikTok right now. Personally, I've only spent around $200 on new products over the last few months. So if you do all of these things and really put some effort into finding a good product, you'll find some winners that you can milk for weeks at a time and save money in the process. Now, creating videos with the physical product in hand is hands down the best way to do it. I've experimented with lots of different styles of TikTok videos, but this converts viewers to buyers better than anything else. So how do you actually get your hands on these products? There are two ways to do this. You can always request free samples from TikTok Shop sellers, which sounds nice, but if you find a trending product, you want to get it fast. And the way to do that is by ordering from Amazon. So do you have to spend a couple bucks on it? Yes, but you have to remember that if you get one viral video, that could pay off the cost of the product 1,000 times over. And when you have your winning product, it's time to create viral videos. Now, this is where most people struggle, but it's really not as complicated as it seems. It all boils down to hacking the attention of the viewer and keeping them engaged. Hit them with a strong, bold hook in the beginning and hold their attention for the rest of the video. And to give you a really good idea of what this actually looks like, we're gonna head back over to Callow Data in the video tab and look at the best performing video of the last 7 days on TikTok Shop. So we're gonna skip those two because they're ads, and we'll look at this one on the water flosser. This one's only 40 seconds long, so we're gonna watch it together.
Who said I should put Listerine if I water filter? You're a G. Yeah, what dog? Man, I've been doing that since they looked like this. You see how old this thing is? What kind of alien tech is that? This was $150. This one is $30. And this is the strongest water flosser I've ever used. Also, I'm not going to put dirt in the sink and tell you guys that came out of my mouth. This is what came out of my mouth, all right? It's mouthwash. It's gross. Look at that. I'm a water thunder. Bruh. Are you, bruh? If you're not using these, I am telling you right now, your mouth is disgusting. Guys, these actually work. This one's linked down here. This one is in the previous video. Tap the orange card and get yourself on it right now.
Now that was really a perfect example. He gets your attention in the first clip and then holds your attention for the rest of the video. I also really like the hook, and this is why. Everyone has been using that mouthwash in the water flosser hook, and he used it too, but he did it in a different way. He kind of made a joke out of it. So as the viewer, you're kind of thinking, okay, this sounds familiar, but it's different and I want to know what's going on. He also mentioned how he paid $150 for his old water flosser and only $30 for this new one, which is better, which makes you feel like you're getting a great deal. And to keep you engaged, he's moving himself and the water flossers back and forth in front of the camera. He changes the tone in his voice throughout the video, and he actually uses the water flosser, shows you how it works, and then spits the mouthwash out right in front of you. But most importantly, he's using short clips, which means that as the viewer, every couple of seconds, you have something new to digest. This is absolutely key because on TikTok, attention spans are notoriously low. Now that you understand how to find winning products and create viral videos, you need to know that there are a few things that you cannot do on TikTok Shop. Now, pay attention because these are the mistakes that most beginners make, which usually result in violations or suspensions. First, never repost your videos or someone else's videos. It's not original, it's not authentic, and those are the two things that TikTok wants on their platform. Second, make sure that your videos are product focused. Don't talk about yourself for 40 seconds and then throw a clip of the product in at the end. Instead, talk about the product, talk about the features, talk about the benefits, and how it makes your life easier. Third, don't over exaggerate the benefits or the effects of the product. It's not honest, it's against the rules, and if you're doing this right, you just don't need to lie about it. And some things that you cannot say in your videos are the word dupe, weight loss, or anything similar, and names of other companies or brands. To avoid violations, keep all of those things out of your videos, out of your captions, and out of your hashtags. Now, here's some advice from someone who's done what you're trying to do many, many times. You might not see results instantly. Some people will, but not everyone. If you struggle in the beginning, it's okay. Just remember that it's the beginning and you're just getting started. Whatever happens, just keep posting every single day. And always look back at your old videos to identify what's working and what's not working. Then simply do more of what's working and less of what isn't. Consistency is key, but if you make 1,000 videos and they're all crap, you're probably not going to see results. You need to be learning and improving along the way. And if you're ever feeling discouraged, just remember that all it takes is one viral video to change your entire life. Now, if you've made it this far, I think it's safe to assume that you're serious about TikTok Shop and ready to take it to the next level. But in order to do that, you need to surround yourself with people who have the same goal as you. So if you want to join my free Discord server or get one-on-one coaching from myself and my team, to fast track you to making $20, $30, or even $40,000 a month with TikTok Shop, I'll leave something for you in the description. Until next time, good luck.